Hello everyone, this video is about the application of the intersecting seconds theorem. The question reads, find the value of x in the figure below. So we have the diagram here. So we have here the secant ABO and secant CDO. They're intersecting somewhere outside the circle, that is at point O. So consider the distance from one endpoint of the chord, the circle called AB. The first endpoint is A. So A up to the point where the two chords, or rather the two seconds, are intersecting. That is AO. And then we'll have to multiply that by the distance from the second endpoint, which is B, up to the point of intersection, that is BO. We are going to consider the same thing for the second secant. So we have C up to the point of intersection, CO, multiplied by D up to O. From this, we can proceed on to determine the value of x as required. We have AO. AO is from A up to O, we have 9 centimeters plus x centimeters. So that is 9 plus x. And then BO is x, so times x. And then on the right hand side, we have CO, which is 5 plus 4, that is 9 times DO, which is 4. So the equation we'll have here is x squared plus 9x. So let's rearrange it that way. X squared plus 9x. And then on the right hand side, we have 36. So this 36 can be brought to this other side so that we have the quadratic equation in the form x squared plus 9x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, in this question here, I'm going to use the factor method. So we are going to factorize the left hand side. So we are going to look for two factors such that their product will be equivalent to negative 36. Negative 36 is the product of the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, times negative 36, the constant term. And then their sum should be the coefficient of x, which is 9. Now those factors are, so we have, that is 12 and negative 3. 12 plus negative 3 is 9, and when we multiply them, we get negative 36. So using this to factorize the left hand side of this equation, we will have, so we'll have to write two brackets. Now we do this so long as we are equating it to 0 on the right hand side. So in the first bracket, we have x, and the second bracket also x. And then the next thing is to insert the factors we've determined in the remaining spaces. So here we have positive 12, and then the next one is negative 3. So from this, we can say for the first bracket, x plus 12 is 0, and therefore x is negative 12. We can also say for the second bracket, x minus 3 is 0, and therefore x is equal to 3 when negative 3 crosses. And this means from the two results, remember x is a length, that is length BO. So we cannot say x is negative. A length can never be negative. So for this case, we will discriminate this and go by x is 3. So x is equal to 3 centimeters. And just as simple as that, this brings us to the end of the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.